Google Classroom video number 5. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new video activity using a YouTube video. So I need to go to YouTube to find something that I want my students to watch and then answer questions about. For some reason, I really like using the Erie Canal. But we can use mitosis. It doesn't really matter. Let's do the Erie Canal. 4, 4, 3, 6, 8. So here's a 2-minute 51. Here's 21. That's really long. Just want an intro. Building the Erie Canal explained. Ooh, that one might be good. Okay, so I'm going to grab this video link. I'm going to go back to this page here in Google Classroom under resources. I'm going to click new video activity. I'm going to paste, and you can search here too, but I like to do that ahead of time. I'm going to paste my video link here, and then I'm going to click add questions. And then I would like to add a new question. And when I click add new question, it's going to put it at the time where the video is. So I could also move the video cursor to a point and then click add here as well. I'm not being very creative, but
Miles into the country. In a time before modern.
so at 18 seconds, this question's going to pop up. And then here, I might do like a multiple choice. And again, I'm not being very creative, but let's go with 2 choices.
1817. Manual laborers, mostly immigrants.
No, I need to choose the right one. Okay.
1817. Manual.
All right. So now I have 2 questions, and you can see them here in the timeline also. That's it. You can have it obviously when you are choosing multiple choice or check boxes, you would give it the right answer. For this one, you're going to have to grade that part on your own and then click done. Super simple. In some cases, I've noticed if there is a transcript, it will come up with its own questions. Like the Gemini that's built in will come up with its own questions. You'll see them generated here. Some videos it'll do it and some won't, and I think it's because of the transcript. Where was I? So now I want to assign it to my students. Let's go to my sample assignments, go to classwork, and I'm going to start by creating a new assignment. And I think it's under practice sets, even though it's not technically a practice set. No, maybe not. Is that YouTube maybe? Yes, my video activities. Oh, they changed that. Okay, so I'm going to click attach. Just like if you watch the practice sets video, this is very similar. And what you will see are very, very similar. I'm just going to put it here. Very, very similar data that you get back. So I've assigned it. It's under practice sets, building the Erie Canal explained. The students will be able to watch and answer the questions. And then they turn it in, and you'll see that it'll be turned in here. So I'm going to go to an archive class so I can show you what it looks like on the back end. It's very, very similar. You will see the same kind of thing where The students have a dark check mark for the ones they were correct on the first attempt, a light check mark for a second attempt or more, and then a red X. And then the ones that don't have the check mark are ones that you have to grade. So I'll say ungraded, I'll have to go in and say correct or incorrect, and it updates it. Um, and then you'll get your class insights up here as well. And then over here, you would give it a total grade and then return it. I'm not going to be able to return it because it's an archived class, but as long as your class is not archived, you can return it. You can add private comments. You can add audio comments, video comments, and screencast comments, which is awesome. Um, and that's pretty much it. This one's a little bit simpler than the practice sets, but it works very similarly to Edpuzzle, very, very similarly. Um, and the data is already built right into your Google Classroom. So that's it for this video.